Hello everybody, how are you? In this series we are going to talk about English language, that how to improve it and why we are not obsessed to speak well. So some steps are there what we have to follow. So be with me, okay, up to last. And if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the updates notification. So now just let's get started without wasting the time. First of all, everybody want to speak, right? So for the speaking English, some points are there what I'm just getting you, and you have to follow that. Reflect on your conversations. After your conversation it is over, take a moment to reflect. How did it go, and how much do you think you understood, and how comfortable did you feel with the subject matter, and did you encounter any unknown words, and the mere act of thinking about in this way and will increase your confidence for the next time you speak, and give your targeted things to work on. For example, vocabulary you didn't understand, and the next step is listen and read. You focus on this point. You need words to order to talk, okay, right? Class time is great for learning vocabulary, but there are other ways to it means ways you can increase yours. Watch movies, listen to music, the radio, and to uh, podcasts, read books, magazine, and blogs. You it means when listening and reading, find new and interesting expression, slang term, and synonyms. Write down this new material and book up anything you and familiar with, okay, and all these will provide more meat for you to use next time you practice. And the next thing is prepare cheat sheets, okay, prepare cheat sheets. So part of the nervousness around speaking is the feeling of not knowing what to say. To combat this, prepare a cheat sheet. Are you going to the doctors, okay, before your appointment, okay, research vocabulary related to your conditions, and some common passes you will it means probably need, and use the technique before going to pay a bill, eating at a restaurant, job interviews, making a complaint, or for any other situation that might you access, okay. And the next point is pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. Most people find phone conversation practically it means challenging. Why? Because on the phone we can't see the other person's body language or watching their mouth move, both of which are tools that really help communication. So to feel more confident on the phone, start small with the phone conversations with friends, then move on to more challenging calls like marketing appointments and or inquiries. So this is a great time to use tip 4 and prepare a list of questions and useful vocabulary to help you during your call. So now next point is record your voice. Record your voice on any device. Okay, you can record your voice on your phone also. So we know most people dislike hearing their voice recording or recorded, but it's actually an extremely beneficial way to improve your speaking. Hearing yourself on tab, so you things you might not realize, and maybe you tend to speak quickly when nervous, and solo ears are number, okay. So it means on the other hand you could be patiently and surprised to hear that your speaking is far better than you thought. For bonus points, take your recording to your teacher or to a native speaker's friend and have them give you feedback. And the next point is just you get it properly and with a confidence, just you focus here. Learn passes rather than single words. Okay. Another tips to increase your fluency speak using variety of phrases rather than it means individual words. You probably do this all the time in your native language, and instead of you automatically asking hello, how are you today, mix it up the choosing other expressions like what's up ma'am, hey dude, or how you're going mad. Be careful thought some expressions will be very informal and not ideal for some situations. Okay, and the next is have a fun place. It's also very important to learn English as a let's practice, let's pass it's as for it is to learn something new when you are having fun, inject sliceness and into your speaking practice by talking to yourself when you are alone, singing along with the popular songs in English, doing tongue twister. Try our top tongue twister are doing 1 minute. Okay, and impromptu speeches on randomly chosen tips, okay, and topics such as snacks, coffee, India, or subjects such as if you ruled the words, I would. Okay, and here you can find a lot of things and three surprising and fact about me or which came first, the kitchen and or the chicken or the egg. Great practice and great sleep fun, right? So these was it means the point what I wanted to tell you. So what, how is the feedback? Just you comment down and inform me how did you find this video. Okay, and up to now if you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe and press the bell icon for the current notification updates. Thank you so much.